Okay, let's try this again. Forgot to turn it on earlier. Yeah, let's. Hello, boys and girls. Uncle Ivan's having one of those moments. All the smoking I've been doing. Yay, marijuana. Anyway, Uncle Ivan had one of those moments. He'd been talking for 20 minutes and didn't realize the camera was on. Hi, I'm Yumi. I'm a Democrat Socialist Pinko. Like Hubble's cat, who's starting to think like Uncle Al. Bug out in, bug out, bug out, and hi, Mr. Bear. Thank you, Uni. Yes, Uncle Al's getting to that point. I've been up too long. So I'll pop my pills. Slightly damaged box. I found all the bars, nothing wrong with them. Got it for $3 for this big box. So I'm sending Cheryl some stuff. First thing, right now, American Outdoorsman. This is the second one I really like. Is American Frontiersman. Uncle Alan's eyeballs are going bad. Anyway, get this. It'll tell you how to salt meat really good. I like the old stuff because Uncle Alan's an old timer, not a high tech kind of vegan running around in spandex kind of idiot. I'm old. Also grouchy. I put that over there. Oh yeah, I forgot. Dang, damn it. This is why Uncle Alan's getting old and getting sick. Be sure you have your canned fruits and vegetables. 3 months supply, that's easy as heck. You figure 2 people eat 1 can. A kid or teenager will eat a whole can or half can. So you figure if you have 4 people, that's 4 cans of fruit and vegetables. Now on the fruit, you space it out every couple of days. Make it a treat, not a commonplace thing. I have to tell people this. It's like talking to a brick wall sometimes. I did find my other Vaquero. This is my big one. I don't like to use it because my hands are all screwed up and I can't manipulate it like the girls on Artsy. You see, Uncle Alan's all hands on this stuff. So this is how big it is. Tight fit. This is over 1.5 feet. So if I get really mad, you see the reach on this thing? And you have this little dinky knife. Okay, this is a knife. You bring that little knife and suck on its tip, make it grow big and strong. Oh, heck. There you go, stick it in the ground. Tired today. Okay, this is one of my cucumbers. Okay, no Uncle Alan jokes, okay? 3rd batch. Same pot. See, fresh cucumbers. See the dead blossom? 3rd batch of cucumbers. Okay, again, no Uncle Alan jokes. God damn it, kids. Worse than the strippers. Why is it all the time strippers and young YouTubers, beauty girls, exercise, fitness, whatever, you name it, have mental problems, big ones, like Ali Harsty or Anaconda. They're all nuts. And you see any stripper nowadays, they're nuts too. And a lot of YouTubers are nuts. But Uncle Alan's still here, and I'm not making a profit. I'm not very big. I wish I was big because you don't have time, chickens. I mean, people. Uncle Alan's just tired, and I got to do a lot of things. Now, Cheryl, I know Brandon and Chris will like this. So's Angel. Got your Z bars. A bunch of them. See, Uncle Alan always looks for deals. Also, Uncle Alan's sick as hell, but Uncle Alan has a method to his madness. Poop is money, so this is paid by poop money. And a lot of people never watch my videos, so they'll never understand it. You gotta try this. This is really good unicorn food. Okay. And I got a bunch of unicorn drink. And I seen your flashlight from your survival bag or your purse. Hope that wasn't alive. Okay. And you need a replacement. So I got you these two mini flashlight, two of them. They already got batteries inside. This is a 3 by 1 inch diameter. Required three AA batteries. Each has a little holder inside. And there's 6 batteries in here. 1, 3, 1, 3. Okay. I forgot. I got the. It's easy to use. It has a button on the bottom, and it has lanyards, and it's 70 lumens. See right here, 70 lumens. You can find good deals at Harbor Freight, and I got these, and it's a pretty good deal. Uncle Alan might be old and might be crazy and as a kook, but I know what I'm doing. So that gives you a better, brighter light. You could give one to Angel or Brandon, and if you need it, put it in your fist and knock somebody loopy with it. Okay, Uncle Alan don't like people. Another trick is I'm going to show you people I like and people who are friends on my channel. Sometimes I'll send them a handcuff key. You can put it with a little bit of craft string around your neck or sew it onto your belt. The hole's big enough so you can sew it to clothing, lapels, anything. So if a bad guy or terrorist capture you and they use standard handcuff key, this unlocks the lock on the handcuff. This opens the whatchamacallit, opens that up. Uncle Alan's been up too long. Okay? Easy as pie. Don't forget it. This will fit any standard American handcuff. Now, I do have European one, but that's a little crazy. But also, I'm sending you to start your own spice kit. Little vials. Wow. 2 of them. Now, what kind of spice does Uncle Alan carry in the woods? Well, I would carry salt and black pepper, so cayenne pepper. A lot of flavoring, a lot of medical uses. Next is a toss-up. I'll either carry dry mustard or curry, depending what season, how far I have to go. You don't need much of both. You're just flavoring it, not dosing it. And both have, the curry and the mustard has also medical qualities that a lot of people don't know. And my last gizmo, I always have these tins. Okay, I got a new batch coming in. I went from ultra small. This is the ultra small one. Oops. Okay. How small is it? It's real small. A lot of people don't understand why you need something this small. Well, you could put something important, like the handcuff key. And you can hide it in certain spots where they don't search. Of course, people don't think like Uncle Alan. Also, Uncle Alan saved these bottles and I use them for everything else. Why? Because Uncle Alan's smarter than all these stinking vermin. The only vermin they don't have is feral. I think that's it. Can't remember. Getting old, getting tired. Okay, showed the knife sticking in the floor, got all that. Okay. Don't forget, check out Will Patriot, Modern Refugee, and KFAB. Please check out the channel. Leave a comment. Tell them stick with basic, simple, easy know-how in your head skills. And all of you should have taken a first aid class. Hubble's cat, he's kayaking right now under pleasant temperatures, but present temperatures, but humidity is 90 to 110. It's really moist up there. Okay. Then you have Andrew Hondo. Good video. Good live stream. I'm always spooking around. I'm a ghost. I don't like to blab unless necessary. Okay. And then we have Detroit prepping. Get out of Detroit. I know things that you shouldn't know, but we almost lost Detroit. That's an old gag with us people who used to work with nuclear power. West wind survival. Okay, now those people in the path of Hurricane Barry. Remember, I said Hurricane Barry. Everybody says strong storm Barry, tropical storm Barry. No, it's a hurricane, you dip. Okay, for 12 gallons, 3 days for 4 people. Okay, get that through your head. And you got to be careful if you fill up the bathtub, because if they have a storm surge, the stuff in the pipes will come gushing out like poltergeists through the bathtub opening, through the toilets, through the kitchen sink, through the bathroom sink. And all that water you stored in the bathtub is going to be all right. Palmetto prepared. Let's talk about prepping. Cheryl Hirsch, DOI fun. Little Prepper Lady. Prepper in progress. And Manipulation the Imagination Reads channel. I think I forgot just-in-time prepping. Remember, folks, Uncle Alan's brain's not working because I need sleep right now. And I've been hauling shit all day. No, I'm not kidding. Poop is money. Okay? A lot of you guys don't understand that. But Uncle Alan also has weird herb stuff, and I gotta watch when I'm taking it because he makes them a little loopy. Now, if I take too many of these, I'll go blah, 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 blah. Okay, just-in-time prepping tonight at 8 o'clock Mountain Time, Saturday. Will's got, just join up. And then Monday he has a discussion on lighting and security. So please join, bring your friends, drag them, put them in a headlock. Uncle Alan can't make it because I'm babysitting a lot of kids. And I also have to work in the morning. So Uncle Alan's old and cranky and mad as hell. And don't forget, Step 1 Survival with Sippy Cup and BA, or BA and Sippy Cup, and Full Spectrum Survival with Brad and Kelly. I think I covered everything. I'm not too sure. Okay, kids, I'll catch you later. I would have a sign, but I keep forgetting it. I did mention Wayne. Okay, West Wind Survival, check out his channel. And then everybody, I think this morning, was talking about financial freeze and blah, blah, blah. Uncle Alan's old and Uncle Alan's tired, so stop blabbing. Okay, 2,500 in a red state, 4,800 in a blue state, $10,000 in passbook. Do not touch. I hate talking about finance because it blows out my vocal cords. You will not believe the stupid things I've seen today. Uncle Alan's tired. Now remember, kids, last word of the day. Oh boy, Uncle Alan, what are you going to talk about? You've been monitored, recorded, and also videotaped. Or digital tape, whatever they call it, kids. So watch what you're doing, watch what you're talking, watch who you speak to. Okay, I'll catch you later. Bye. Bye, kids. Don't forget unicorn food.